Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by going into Devices Settings and clicking on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use different service, remember to disable the default one first by tapping on this green switcher. Go back and tap on Add Service. Now you can install the best one for you from the list of available ones. And when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Lastly, click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!